in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Shoulder Length Undetectable Lace 13x4 Lace Frontal Wig, and I got her in 18 inches. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, you already know, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan.Dotson. Let's get into the install.
But she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends, and we skirt off in the Benz. Took her back to my crib, and I regret it. She tryna
take that gun, go left and right, move your body up and down. Take that gun, go left and right, move your body up and down. Left and right, go up and down. Go left and right, go up and down. Go left and right, go up and down. Go left and right, go up and down.
Okay, so I'm stopping the video right here just to say, like, I'm loving how the hair is looking and how it's feeling so far, but the hairline. So with this unit in particular, I noticed that there's a lot of extra lace, and my hairline is, I mean, everybody's hairline is unique to them. So with mine, as you can see, my natural hairline, it pretty much goes back right here and then comes forward right here, goes back, takes a little dip in, and then comes out again. With this unit, when I'm placing it down, it seems like on this side it's not really covering my sideburns right there, and on this side it's, or my sideburns, my edges right here, I always do that and it's not covering my sideburns right here, nor is it covering my sideburns over here. But there is a lot of lace, like I just stated, and I'm going to cut around my ear. And when I cut around my ear, it should be about this much hair and this much lace left. So I'm going to take this and then place it right there with some hair glue. I hope I'm making sense when I say that. If not, hopefully the angles are right while I'm doing this and you can just watch. Okay, let's get back into it.
for you, you die for me. Give you my heart, you give me all your love. I ride for you, you ride for me. I die for you, you die for me. Give you my heart, you give me.
Let's talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Again, this is their shoulder length undetectable lace 13x4 frontal lace wig with a natural hairline. The cap construction on this unit does come with 4 combs in total, 1 being in the back, the other 3 being in the very front, with 1 being in the very center. It also has the adjustable straps and it comes with the security band as well. Something I really like about the security band is that you can remove it if you choose to do so, and you also can adjust it to your liking. And then of course, lastly, it does come with the 13x4 parting space. According to the website, this unit is said to be 100% human hair from one donor. It can last you 1 or more years. It's 150% density. It's supposed to come pre-plucked because it's saying that it has a natural hairline, of course. It can be dyed because, again, it is 100% human hair. And then the the circumference of the cap is a medium, which is a 22.5 inches, and the lace is supposed to be top Swiss lace. This unit can come in 2 different textures, one being body wave, the other one being water wave. I am currently wearing the body wave. The lengths that are offered for this unit can be either 14, 16, or 18. I was sent the 18 inch. With the lengths that are offered for this unit, I feel like it'd be perfect for everyday use. Now let's talk about the density for a second. Again, this is 150% density, but I personally wish they offered an 180 or a 200% density in this unit. The unit isn't super thin. I just feel like it needs a little bit more fullness, especially for the body wave version. If you're gonna curl it, which is what most people do with body wave, you're probably gonna be fine. But if you thought about wearing this unit straight, I feel like she would look way too thin. Next, let's talk about the pre-pluckedness of this unit. I feel like LuvMe Hair did a really good job with this unit. At first, when I took it out of the package, I was kind of like, am I gonna have to go in and pluck some more? But actually, I don't feel that way at all. I feel like it's giving off a very natural hairline, which, I mean, that's the purpose of this unit, is to give a very natural hairline. The only downside to the hairline was what I showed you earlier. For me, the hairline was sitting a little bit awkward, if you will, especially against my natural hairline. As I showed earlier, my natural hairline kind of like dips and then goes back and then dips again. And so I wanted to kind of mimic that with this unit. My sideburns were going to be the portion of my hair that weren't going to be covered with this unit. But once I cut the ear tabs out, it was actually, or off, not out. It was actually my sideburns that were, or not my sideburns, oh my goodness, it was actually my edges that were still out. With that ear tab part, I just went ahead and cut the little piece that I needed out and covered my edges with it. And I don't know, to me, I feel like it's covering it pretty well for the most part. I mean, I'm pretty sure eventually I'm gonna have to go in and like retouch it, because let's be real, it's just being held down with lace bonding glue. But I don't know, I feel like he got the job done. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the way that I styled this unit. I'm pretty sure somebody, whoever might be watching this, was like, girl, what are you doing? Put the scissors down, walk away, just walk away now. But I knew that the moment that I received this unit that I wanted to cut her. Did I know how I wanted to cut her? No, but I just knew I wanted to take some scissors to her. Now, the cutting that I did, I don't know if that's considered a wolf cut. I don't know if that's considered layers being chopped into her. I knew that I wanted layers. I knew I wanted it very choppy. I don't know if I achieved that in its entirety, but I actually liked the way that it turned out. To my surprise, I even liked her before I even took a curling iron to her. So just in her air dried state after I cut her. I will say I was getting a little bit nervous about the bangs, but I feel like it also turned out really cute. I think next time though, instead of using my, I want to say this is a 1-inch curling iron, next time I'm just going to use the 1.5-inch curling iron all over my hair just to kind of see how that turns out. I can't lie, a part of me is kind of wanting to cut this unit to maybe like shoulder length, but at the same time I'm like, no Tan, don't get too scissor happy. But I don't know, you guys let me know what you think I should do down in the comment section below. But yeah, I really don't have too much to say about this unit. I think she's gorgeous overall, and if you feel like picking her up, or if you think you might want to pick her up, or even if you see something else that you might like on the website, feel free to use my coupon code. I'll have it here across the screen. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Tan tan dots in. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you also want to, feel free to check out my other videos that I've done with LuvMe hair. I have them here linked up in the cards, or it might be on this side. I'm pretty sure it's on this side. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.